Conquering the food coma, a delicious dilemma. Hello, everyone. Today, we're diving into a fascinating and relatable English phrase, I'm in a food coma. Ever felt so full and sleepy after a big meal that you couldn't move? Well, there's a playful way to express that feeling in English. Let's explore what it means, where it comes from, and how you can use it in your conversations. Stay tuned to become a pro at describing your post-feast fatigue. The phrase, I'm in a food coma, is a humorous and informal way to describe feeling extremely tired and lethargic after eating a large amount of food. It's not a medical condition but a colloquial expression that captures the sluggishness and desire to nap that often follows a heavy meal. The word, coma, here is used figuratively to describe a state of deep sleep or unconsciousness, exaggerating the sense of fullness and fatigue. While the exact origin of food coma is hard to pinpoint, it likely emerged from the common experience of feeling sleepy after a big meal. This sensation is actually backed by science. Eating large meals, especially those rich in carbohydrates, can increase the production of serotonin and melatonin in your brain, leading to drowsiness. Over time, I'm in a food coma has become a popular and relatable way to describe this experience, especially in informal settings and conversations. You can use, I'm in a food coma, in casual conversations, especially after sharing a meal with friends or family. It's a light-hearted way to communicate your need to relax or take it easy after eating too much. For example, after finishing a big holiday meal, you might lean back and say, wow, I'm definitely in a food coma now. I need a nap. When a friend asks how you're feeling after visiting a buffet together, you could respond with, I'm in a food coma. That was delicious but so filling. Remember, it's best used in informal contexts. Avoid using it in formal or professional settings, as it might be considered too casual or inappropriate. Next time you find yourself struggling to stay awake after a feast, you'll know exactly how to describe your state. You're in a food coma. It's a fun and expressive way to communicate a common experience that crosses cultures and cuisines. We hope you've enjoyed learning about this deliciously descriptive phrase. Happy eating, and remember, it's okay to indulge in a food coma every now and then. Just don't forget to share your experience using your new favorite English expression.